of the Year.
The FMA's Artists of the Year nominees are Beanie, Cup of Joe, Earl Agustin, SB19, DJ Monterde,
goes to congratulations, SB19.
Oh, grabe. We're just preparing for our show, for our performance, and hindi namin expect na until now, we're still receiving awards. Maraming salamat po, FMA, for this opportunity, for giving platform for all the musicians, the artists. Sa lahat po ng artists na nandito, deserve po nating lahat na maging artist sa sarili nating mundo, sa Pilipinas. So maraming salamat po for never stopping to make music, to send message to the Filipinos. Yun po yung pinaka-importante. Maraming salamat po. Ronzi, Sony, thank you.